I am Lenny Hudgens. So welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Before we start, don't forget to participate in my YouTube giveaway, where every month I choose one comment under my videos and send them gifts. It is open worldwide, so do participate. Let's get back to the video. Today I'm reviewing Cosrx Refresh AHA BHA Vitamin C Lip Plumper. It comes with both English and Korean instructions, so it is going to be helpful for us international customers. It claims that an energizing multitasking lip plumper that visibly volumizes, smooths and hydrates your lips. Cosrx Lip Plumper is formulated with AHA and BHA to exfoliate, as well as volufiline and vitamin C to restore lip health and vitality. It comes with a plastic spatula in a 20 grams plastic pot. I love the frosted look its bottle has. It has a gel cream texture which is slimy. I'm amazed by its texture. It enables me to easily scoop and apply it with my fingertips. It has no smell, which is good because I don't like fragrances. It seems thick at first, but Cosrx Lip Plumper is quite lightweight and spreads easily for smooth application because it melts with the body temperature. I have naturally small and dry lips. I'm scared of getting Botox, so I'm always trying different lip plumpers in the market. Cosrx Lip Plumper shines like glass on my lips. It feels comfortable on my lips, as if I have nothing on my lips. It glides smoothly on my lips, it doesn't leak from the lips and stays where it is applied. It makes my lips so smooth that all the cracks vanish instantly. The tingling sensation starts as soon as Cosrx Lip Plumper touches the lips, but the tingling is bearable and just feels a little warm on the lips. One thing that I didn't like about this lip plumper is that before it dries completely, I get these slimy lines connecting both lips if I'll talk or open my mouth, which isn't cute. This goes away after it sets in though. My lips do look volumized and plump, which I'm loving it. Let's see how much this lip plumper plumps my lips. I do use Cosrx Lip Plumper as a lip gloss in my daily routine because it has the most comfortable texture because it has a non-sticky finish. That's how my lips look after 2 hours of application. My lips look healthier, plump, fuller, and beautiful to me. I cannot see any lip wrinkles. I think my lips look like Lee Dong-wook Oppa for sure. The tingling stopped after 15 minutes of application. Another thing that I loved about Cosrx Lip Plumper is that it has AHA, BHA and vitamin C. It gently exfoliates dead skin on my lips. It is the most effective lip product for dry, dead skin removal that I have used so far in my life. Even after 2 hours, my lips are moisturized and they look very glossy. I had to attend a funeral, so that's how my lips look after 8 hours. I didn't do touch-ups or anything. I did drink lots of water and even ate lunch before I made this update. My lips still feel extremely moisturized, but they aren't as plump as before. Cosrx Lip Plumper is one of the best lip moisturizers on the market, but its downside is that it won't plump your lips permanently. I'll rate Cosrx Lip Plumper 4/5. I will certainly recommend this to you guys and I'll repurchase this as well. What did you guys like about this video of mine? Do let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.